Welcome to the channel. My name is Arts. We just arrived in the Canary Islands called El Hierro, and we will be traveling alongside this beautiful island with Max in the background, this wonderful car. And yeah, we'll spend 1 week here. We'll be creating some beautiful artworks in nature, and I'm happy to take you along this adventure. Let's go. Woo!
Everyone, welcome aboard. Please also store your hand luggage under the seat in front of you and keep the eye clear for parking passengers.
We just landed in Tenerife, and now we drive to Los Cristianos, and then we take the ferry to El Hierro, where we have a rental car waiting for us. But yeah, weather's good. It will take about 2.5 hours to get to El Hierro. Pretty cool. Looks like a cruise. Got a beer. Oh, got a little Christmas tree. I mean, it's more comfortable than a plane, that's for sure. Yo, this boat is giving absolutely 100%. We just arrived in El Hierro, and now we have to get our luggage, and then we're gonna get our rental car to drive to La Restinga. I think this is the one. Oi. Wait. There's the painting equipment. This is our way to La Restinga. Are up. It took about 12 hours or 15 hours from Frankfurt to here, so we're still a little bit tired, but there's a place where you can swim here, so that's where we're going now, and have a nice morning swim at the beach. Well, it's not a real beach because there are rocks everywhere. Man, this is so relaxing. Now we're gonna have some lovely breakfast with a nice view, and then we're gonna explore the city. Okay, so now we're exploring La Restinga. There's a little bit of an art scene here. Pretty cool. Let's see what else they have to offer. Apparently there's a local fish market down there, and we're gonna see if we maybe can get some fish there at some point. Pretty cool art, but the market itself unfortunately closed at this time. They only open at like 14:30 or something. From the distance we saw this really tall cement wall, so we're gonna check that out, see what's happening there. Maybe we could even paint a picture there at some point. Yeah, this is giving me some scrapyard vibes. Few artists here apparently. Looks like the cabin of an old boat or something, like the captain cabin. A microwave. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to bring my spray paints because you can't fly with them because they're flammable. Some sort of a rabbit or something. I don't know, someone was building something here. Feels like going into someone's home. Yeah, so that place was pretty cool. We're definitely gonna come back there to paint something. There are these big paintings all around the city here. It's pretty cool. So I just talked to a local guy here. Those paintings, they were done on a 2 days festival a few years back. So no collab. Almost forgot this guy. That would have been a bummer. But yeah, we weren't too far, like 10 minutes. Okay guys, we'll be driving to Light Tower, I think you call it. It's the most southern point of Europe. The roads, they're absolutely beautiful to drive, very well maintained. And yeah, just check it out, it looks absolutely beautiful. We got a nice SUV, so we're driving comfortably. The lighthouse is only like 40k away, but it will take at least over an hour to get there because of the high elevation that we're at and the curvy roads. Yo, check out this viewpoint. It's called Viewpoint El Julian. Pretty dope. A few degrees colder since we had quite the elevation. Also, the terrain has changed. There are lots of trees now behind us. We're gonna be camping there also one night. We have like this cool, forgot what it's called. I'll remember soon, I know. Anyways, pretty nice, pretty cool. We just found this little mountain there and we want to climb it. You can see it. The view is already absolutely stunning. Let's check it out. It's so quiet here. Not a sound. A little bit of wind, but actually not too much. Whoa! I almost just died. We got Max in the background. Very sweet, yeah. I feel like on a jungle adventure. A little bit. Let's see what awaits us at this little point. Lovely. Lovely out here. Yo, this is sick. What a view. Let's do a quick 360. And if you, I'm not sure if you look down there, right from the mountain, there's the light tower where we're going now, actually. Let's go through, see what's on the other side. There's a fence there. And then we're back here. Okay guys, so this is the first time I try this concept of the traveling artist. And I really enjoy it. It's so much fun. Later we're gonna paint a picture in nature actually. So that's super cool and it's something I want to do more often I want to visit like lost places and just cool cities in Europe and all around, and take you along the ride and show you everything that I'm seeing and giving you some perspective and taking you along this adventure, and also combining it with my passion, which is art. And yeah, we're almost at the lighthouse. These roads are so nice. Enjoy. Yep, it's the light tower. It is so peaceful and quiet. Except for my silly voice. Yeah, this is cool. Pretty steep. Definitely don't want to fall here. Max on the camera. Yeah, it's closed and no way to get in, but we're gonna fire up the drone, see if we can catch some nice views. Okay, we finished our test with the drone and got a good view of the light tower and the cliffs and everything. And now we're just at this beach point thingy and gonna eat something, have some sandwiches and some beers. Peace. Oh, the water's crystal clear. Beautiful. Okay, we're back in the car and we're gonna drive to a viewpoint or something to watch the sunset. Okay, so we basically found like this church randomly. It looks pretty cool. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's closed. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's a crazy cave. Gonna go and explore now. Maybe paint a picture. Who knows? Watch the sunset. All good vibes here. I think what we're gonna do now is gonna set up a little bit of our stuff, and I think it's time to paint a picture, a small one, and watch the sunset. You can actually walk through here. You'll probably have a really nice view of the stars. Well, that's a contrast. Got this on one side and then this beautiful sunset on this side. Let's get back down here. Yo, this is a sick cave, man. That's so cool. Well, I think we're gonna set up right here. Okay, we're starting with some red tones. Oh, we have like a cherry red. Actually, the first time using this type of colors. Looks pretty nice. Oh yeah. Brighten it up a little. And then here on the top, we're gonna start with some blues. Because we're feeling blue. No, actually we're not. We're feeling great. Oh yeah, that's a nice blue, to be honest. This cherry red sets the tone up here. I'm just gonna start dabbing this, start blending those colors basically. And then we have something to work with if we want to finish the painting. Yeah, it's getting really windy now. Hey. Of course, I'm taking care that we're not going to pollute the nature here. So that's why I don't want to use water or anything, because I don't want it to drop down and like go into the soil. Well, let me give you, wait. You know, at the beginning I didn't really know if the concept of a traveling artist, if it works. Now having to paint, or painting the first layer of this painting, that really gives me hope, to be honest. This is what it's all about. Creating memories, creating cool stuff. What would really be nice is actually a little bit of yellow. Not too much though. Then we have a good base. Nice guys, so the first painting, or the first part of this 3-piece painting, we completed here in, I forgot the name, but we have a beautiful cave behind us. The sun is just peeking through those clouds. Absolutely stunning, absolutely amazing first day. See ya later. Pow! What a view, man. Doesn't even look half as good on camera.